Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can add frames video effect in CapCut PC. So I think this tutorial is very simple, but I hope it's helpful for you guys. So select your video to the track and how to add frame effect, just click effect, and you can find that effect in this part effect. So here's just drag here and you can adjust for the colors and filters, strength, size, and also speed like so. So that's it. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, and uh, I will try my best to answer. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.